everyone, my name is Carmen and I'm here with the unveiling of the solid subscription for March. I have been waiting for this because this is my first one and I'm super excited to share with you and actually see what is in this bag. So, scissors that won't cut fabric hopefully, and let's see what's going on. Alright. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. I have white and black. I am a fan of black, mostly because it matches everything and I can use it either for myself or for my husband, but let's see. This feels super soft and is gonna be perfect for the warmer weather. My guess is that it's a double brush poly, but I'm not sure. Here's stretch, lots of horizontal stretch, pretty good vertical stretch. So for the solid subscription, it's $25 a month. You get 3 yards of fabric, solid colors. You don't know whether you're gonna get 2 colors like this month or 3 1 yard cuts, or sometimes 1 color 3 yards. So this subscription looks like I got 2 yards of the black and 1 yard of the white. Super excited for these, as these are going to be perfect way to transition into my spring and summer wardrobe. I gotta think a little bit to see what I'm gonna make, but you know, we'll see. Thanks.